I have a GE dishwasher, model GDT695SSJ0SS. It won't start. I push the start button, close the door, and then after a few seconds it starts to beep and the front light flashes orange.
What happened just before the light on your GE dishwasher came on?
I pushed the start button and closed the door. Then nothing happened for a few seconds.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
I replaced the door latch and that didn't help. I changed the control board which is at the top of the dishwasher door. This has been going on for a week. The dishwasher hasn't run at all in that period of time.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. You will see some phone call pop-ups. During this lockdown I am not able to take a phone call since I work at home, so if you want a phone call, let me know so I can pass you on to another expert that has the ability to take a call. You will see automatic phone call pop-ups. The site generates those, not me. Again, I cannot take a call, so please do not try to call me, just let me know and I can put your question back out where another available expert can see it.
It would be ideal to take a phone call. But if you think you can help me via this chat, I'll give it a shot.
I can help via text for sure. Let's do a door status check on this dishwasher. It's not that difficult. One moment.
Okay. When I hold the select cycle and start buttons down for 5 seconds, I get the number 817 on the LED display.
You want to wake up the dishwasher, just don't select a cycle. Press and hold the cycle select and start buttons for 5 seconds. Then for 10 seconds the computer will check the door status. If you have the door open, you should see all the LEDs flash on and off, then you want to close the door and see if those lights change to where they are steady on. This is in the first 10 seconds. That usually means the computer module is faulty. That 817 error. Just try this door status check so we can see what the computer sees for the door check. It's just the first 10 seconds after pressing those buttons.
Okay, so I have the door closed. I hold select cycle and start for 5 seconds. The lights start to blink and never go steady. The 817 displays on the LED pad.
The fact that the lights never do steady, just in and of itself means the computer door thinks the door is not closed. Therefore the dishwasher will not start. Since you also see the 817, that points to the computer module failure. And if it is faulty, then it can easily mistake reading the door as open or closed.
Okay, so where is the computer module located?
It is located behind the toe kick panel bottom of door. When you remove the toe kick panel, check for evidence of water that leaked out around the heating element, as that is a common issue with these dishwashers.
I had problems with this dishwasher a couple of months ago. I ended up changing the control board. That fixed the issue. I'm hoping the computer module is a different part.
There is a known issue, that the heat element leaks sometimes and the water will cause the CSM, Control Sense module, to trip. So you did already change the control module? Is the control you replaced the one behind the toe kick panel at bottom? If so, then likely there is a leak at the heat element that is causing it to trip the sense module.
I change the control board, which is at the top of the dishwasher door. It controls all of the buttons. I haven't done anything with anything at the toe kick.
That is only the user interface board. That is actually not the main control module board.
Okay, I have the toe panel off. What should I look for?
Try this to see if the CSM tripped. Get back into the door test again. After those lights flash and then stop. You should see the control lock lit up. Press and hold the cycle select button for 5 seconds. Then you should see a light flashing. That is how you reset the CSM module. If the dishwasher works again, then there is likely a leak you need to deal with that is causing this issue. After you get into that reset mode. To get back out of it, you only have to quickly press the cycle select and start buttons, then see if the dishwasher will start a cycle.
Okay, I did all of that and the dishwasher won't start.
Okay. You need to replace the control module then. It's around $100. Maybe less. Stand by while I find the part. Okay, I found the part. It's less than $70. https://partster.com/part/WD21 by 24901 main control board.
Okay, how do I get to it? Do I need to pull the whole dishwasher out and flip it on its side?
Stand by and I will find a sheet that shows how to remove the door. As I believe that you might need to do that to access the control module on this model. I found the manual for this model. It's a bit large. Do you have an email address I can email it to you at? Okay, thank you. Stand by.
I found a video. Can you let me know if this is the right one? https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals voyage.
Stand by.
If you go to the 1 minute 44 seconds mark, it shows it. Just want you to confirm that's what I need to do.
Gotcha. Just need a couple minutes. I emailed the manual. Let me know if you got it while I look at the video. Yes. That video would be the correct one. Nice work on finding it.
Thanks. One more question. Does this control board go out often? Should I check for a leak that's causing it?
Yes, this is a common issue, and you should check around the rear behind the module around the element to see if you see evidence that it leaked.
Okay, if there's evidence of leakage, how easy is it to fix that? I'm wondering if it's better to just get a new dishwasher. This thing seems to be a lemon.
If it leaked around the element, see if the plastic nut holding element in has loosened. If it has, tighten it, and that should fix it. If it is tight, then you want to replace the element as they have made a new design that keeps it from leaking again. GE knows about these issues. They put out a service bulletin for all their repair techs. It is a common issue with GE dishwashers on this and other like models. I don't like to speak poorly about a company, but I usually advise people to steer away from GE dishwashers, as this is a design flaw that GE knows about.
Is the plastic nut you're talking about on the inside of the tub or the outside, below, the tub?
I would say it if is not leaking, then you just need to replace the module and you will be fine. However, it has the possibility of leaking in the future as it is a common issue. Plastic nut is on the bottom of dishwasher, it tightens to hold the element in place. And the wires connect to it. They're near the white plastic nuts, at least most of the models have those used to hold element in place.
I'm not seeing it. I'm looking between the water line and the sump pump. Do I need to remove parts to see it?
You might. But all you need to really do is look for evidence of a leak. If no evidence of leaking, or water on floor, then it's not leaking.
Okay, no evidence of a leak. Yet. Thanks so much for all of your help, Mark. I'll let you go now. Have a great weekend.
You are welcome, more than happy to help out. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'd be more than happy to answer any other questions or clarify anything for you. Doesn't affect what you pay at all, just whether or not the site pays me for my time. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page. Be safe and well.
No worries. 5 stars.
Thanks so much. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.